Decided to put some of these samples on the car to give you a better look of what it would look like on the vehicle. I am still really... Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you are new to the channel, my name is Parker Nirenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. I just got back from one of the most amazing trips I have ever taken. We are back home in sunny Southern California, but oh my gosh, was that trip to Geneva amazing. It was my first time at the Geneva International Auto Show, and I was blown away by the amount of car reveals, and also hanging out with some of my new best friends, Supercars of London, Seen Through Glass, Seb Delaney, and some others was just a treat. Now, I actually have 2 more videos coming your way from Geneva. I just needed to get this video out today because it was time sensitive, but I promise they might be the 2 best videos from Geneva. I've still got to show you an in-depth look at the Apollo IE, absolutely one of the stars of the show. Brutal design, incredible naturally aspirated Ferrari V12, super lightweight, tons of downforce, and we got to interview somebody very high up in the company about it. And then a spectacular road trip in the Swiss and French Alps in a McLaren 720S and 570S Spider. So sick. But the reason I am posting today's video now has to do with the Z4 giveaway car. Let's pull it out and I'll give you some more info on it. Good morning, Z4. Are you serious, garage? What's the point of a garage if you're gonna get dust all over the poor car? For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, that's right, you heard me correctly. I am giving away this fun to drive, lightweight, 3-liter, 6-cylinder manual BMW Z4, 225 horsepower, and it does 0 to 60 in 5.8 seconds. In fact, it holds a special place in my heart as it was one of the first cars I ever reviewed on Vehicle Virgins back in 2013. But this giveaway is going to be better than the last. How am I gonna top giving away an E46 BMW M3? Well, if you are local to the Southern California area or can come out and you win this car, I will actually film a video with you teaching you how to drive a manual if you don't already know so. You can be a star of a Vehicle Virgins video and get some manual driving tips on your brand new Z4. All you have to do to win this car is be subscribed to Vehicle Virgins and be a pro member on my website, lightgravity.com/pro. I've got a link in the description below for that, for how to sign up. So what is lightgravity.com/pro? Well, Light Gravity is an awesome website, a community for people like you and I who love cars, to share pictures of your favorite cars, share your favorite videos, or share personal stories about your own car. Now, pro members get access to every single Vehicle Virgins video 24 hours before it goes live on YouTube. I also try my best to respond to each and every one of the pro members' comments. Not only do you get them a day early, you also get them ad-free. No ads whatsoever. It just so happens an awesome perk of being a pro member is that I do random giveaways. That's right, a couple months ago, I gave an E46 BMW M3 away to a pro member named Billy. Yep, he woke up one morning and went, oh my God, I literally just won the Vehicle Virgins M3. The look on his face was absolutely priceless. Being a pro member on Light Gravity literally costs a pack of M&Ms per month. You get all those perks and the chance to potentially win this car. Most people sign up for a year membership as it's discounted, and it means you're eligible for every single giveaway I'm doing in the next 12 months. And you bet there's gonna be some more awesome cars. Here is the deal though, guys. The giveaway ends 24 hours from now. That's right, the clock is ticking. You only have 1 day from when this goes live to become a pro member to enter to win the Z4. If you want it, now is your absolute last chance. I've got a link in the description below to sign up to be a pro member. I'm going to announce at 7 p.m. tomorrow on my Instagram at Vehicle Virgins who the winner of this epic car is. Now, today's video is super exciting. I am going to window Tints, who is offering to wrap this BMW Z4. That's right, the winner of the Z4, could be you watching, is going to get to choose what color they want to wrap the Z4. So if you don't like the current color, that's okay, because we are going to check out the options today, what we can wrap it. Window Tints is awesome. They're gonna make the Z4 look sick. Let's roll. I actually can't believe someone is about to win this car. I'm gonna miss this thing. Vinyl wraps are actually the coolest thing. If you guys know who invented the vinyl wrap, let me know in the comment section below. I'm super curious. But it's amazing how much it can change the look and feel of a car with just vinyl. And then if you decide you don't like it or you want to switch things up to a different color, you can simply peel it off without actually damaging your car. If it's done right and you use proper techniques to remove the wrap, it's a flawless process that won't damage your paint. Now, unfortunately, I had planned to wrap the Huracan quite some time ago. In fact, for Monterey Car Week, that was back last August. But due to that twin turbo debacle, the car wasn't done in time and I wasn't able to get it to the wrap shop. Since then, I kind of put it on the back burner, but eventually I am gonna get that thing wrapped.
When times are down, you know I'll be with you. Your times are rough, this time I see it too.
About to show up to window tints now. Here we go. All right, we are here. Eric, how's it going, man? Good to see you. The last time I was here, and I was actually at their other facility, I got the Mercedes all tricked out. So tinted windows and all of the chrome bits black. They did a phenomenal job with that. So I thought, honestly, window tints, they've got to do something with the Z4. So we're gonna go inside and you're gonna show us some different color options we got.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Thank you.
This is our inventory room of window film.
Gotcha.
Residential cars, everything. Come on through. These are our printers where we print wraps, wall graphics, and so on.
Nice.
And here are the color samples.
Sweet. So we had talked a little bit about some options. We got some displayed here that I think would be really cool. This, funny enough, these are all Avery material, is Avery Light Blue, which I had wrapped my Gallardo in. Rest in peace. Sorry, Candace. Then we've got this kind of blackish, well, I'll read the name. Gloss Black Metallic. Got a nice little flake in it. And then kind of a satin black. Let's see what the name of that is. Literally satin black. And then this color I thought looked really similar to the E63. Would be cool to have the Z4 and the E63 matching. And that is matte charcoal metallic. So these are Avery films, and then there's some 3M over there. But from what I've heard and what he was saying, apparently these are a little bit nicer to apply and have a better adhesive. But better adhesive does not mean that it's impossible to take off if you decide you want to. But I think I'm gonna let the winner choose between these 4 colors. I really like the way these look. We can talk in person if you don't really like one of the colors, but I'm really leaning towards the matte charcoal metallic. I think it would look awesome. And you were saying potentially we can powder coat the wheels black too?
Powder coat the wheels, tint the windows, black out any trim, logos, anything you want.
This is freaking awesome. Window Tints is about to hook it up. The car is gonna look so much better. I know the blue, it's okay with the silver wheels. It's a little more feminine than it could be, but I'm really loving this with some gloss black wheels, some tints, maybe black out the emblems. It'll look awesome. So speaking of Avery Light Blue, when I wrapped my Gallardo, this was back in Michigan, it took 3 weeks to get done, which was kind of a pain, not gonna lie. How long would it take you to wrap the Z4?
3 days.
Like 3 days, quality, really?
Like absolutely perfect, drop it off, the 3rd day you're picking it up, ready to go.
No way.
Absolutely
So,
perfect.
that's awesome. So when I announce the winner on my Instagram on Wednesday, then we'll chat. And once they have some free time, they said they're super available to do this ASAP. 3 days from then, it'll be done. We'll do a reveal and you'll get your awesome new car in whatever color you choose. I'm pumped about this. And then what about cutting techniques and all that?
So we don't cut on the car, we don't use any primer, everything's seamless, and your paint will be perfect if you ever decide to remove that wrap.
That is awesome. This is cool. You got a wall wrap?
Yeah, we print anything on these. Wall wraps, floor wraps, car wraps, absolutely anything.
I think I probably need that in my studio. That would be awesome.
Garage.
Sweet. Well, thanks so much, dude. I'm super excited to be working with you. Window tints, they're gonna hook it up. It's gonna be awesome, and I'm excited to see what the final product looks like. Decided to put some of these samples on the car to give you a better look of what it would look like on the vehicle. I am still really loving this satin gray. Also got that blue, not sure if I love that, and then the 2 different black options. And I think matched with satin or gloss black wheels, definitely gloss black, would look amazing. And they're gonna tint it so we got less of this fishbowl vibe. And then potentially a chrome delete as well. We'll go back to the badging. Could either remove the Z4 badge for a cleaner look or make that black. I'm super pumped to be working with these guys. They did an amazing job on the S-Class, and I know they are gonna make the Z4 look absolutely sick. I'm also so stoked for the owner of this car, whoever it is, congratulations in advance, to be able to pick the color of the wrap, as well as if you want the wheels gloss black, the tint options, as well as dechroming, debadging, whatever you want. Being able to provide this super bespoke, in a way, experience thanks to Window Tints, windowtints.com. If you guys have a car already that you want wrapped or tinted, make sure to check them out. Let's head home.
I can see right through. Everybody wants something they can't have, so they gon' put it on you.
Okay, I will say one thing I didn't miss from Southern California while I was in Geneva is the ridiculous traffic on the 405. It's like, it's 3 p.m. right now. Why is there traffic?
I can see it's there. Let's run away and be forever young.
Yep, that's what I want right now. I want a mechanical bull inside of a jumpy thing. That sounds awesome. Ooh, a manufacturer plate Velar. Who are you? What are you doing here, auto journalist? Almost home. It's so funny driving a car that actually gets decent fuel economy like this one. I mean, the Lambo probably gets 10. The E63, the way I drive it, probably gets 13, but this on the highway, I mean, I practically used no gas. I started with a quarter tank, drove a long way to the wrap shop, and I barely have just a tiny bit less than a quarter tank. This thing can easily get high 20s. Oh my God, that exhaust tip. That is awesome. Holy I mean, good for you. Honestly, good for you. That's awesome. That might be more extreme than the Ricer exhaust I put on my Lambo as a joke. I've never seen anything like that. Home sweet home. Hello, Ariana. Well, guys, there you have it. I am so excited to announce the winner tomorrow at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on my Instagram at Vehicle Virgins. I'm going to be using a random number generator and an Excel spreadsheet, so it's 100% random and fair. All you have to do, like I said, is be subscribed to Vehicle Virgins and be a pro member on my website, likegravity.com/pro. I've got a link in the description below for that. The winner is going to get to choose what color to wrap the Z4, and if you want to paint the wheels black, tint the windows, so on and so forth. Now, tomorrow, the Geneva videos are going to resume. We take a close look at the Apollo IE, and then after that, we rip 720Ss and 570S Spyders in the French and Swiss Alps. One of the best days of my entire life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. Good luck to everyone. I look forward to seeing you next video.